Hello again. Today I'm going to show you how to find what kind of display is your laptop using. If you want to change your display, then it's very easy to find out what kind of display do you need. So it's very simple. In Windows 10, just type down here device manager, and then we have this. We go under monitors, generic PNP monitor, double click, go to details, and under device description you scroll down and we already have information about the monitor. It's already installed in your laptop. Okay, so in my case is this kind of monitor here, and then I found very easy to find details about your monitor. Let's try to search with Google in this case. Okay, so we have an equivalent here. Maybe this one it's easier to find with panel look. So it's this one here. Let's try to find this one. So let's go back to panel look. Oh, so we got plenty of information about, and here we are. The most significant thing is the kind of connector. So we have this here, signal type, ADP 2 lanes, ADP 1.2, 30 pins connector. This is exactly what you need in the moment when you decide to change your LCD display. I'm going to do the same test. Now I'm going to try to do the same thing with a very old computer. It's like 10 years or something. Anyway, this one is running Windows 7 on 32 bits. So we go to computer, properties, device manager, same story, same steps. Monitors, generic PNP monitor, details, and under details we scroll up and down, and we already have info about the monitor. Let's see. So it's LGDCF01. Let's open a browser, a web page, search with Google LGDCF01, and we already have it here. Panel look, I told you, panel.Look.com, but also you may find information to another web pages, so it's not really necessary to search for this one. But this one I found particularly very good description and details. So what we are looking for: signal type LVCD1 channel 6-bit 40 pins connector, and a lot of other stuffs, and then you can easily find your replacement display. And by the way, here you have the compatible display also, and for this particular model it's not more than 64 compatible displays. Okay, I'm really hoping this is useful for you guys to find a replacement, a better replacement for your LCD laptop display. Thank you for now. Bye bye.